Okay friends, so for today's sandwich, I'll be using some of my chicken thighs that I purchased back on the 18th. I don't have bread, but I do have some wheat wraps, so I'll be using those instead. I'll be using some cheese, a little frozen. I'll be using some bacon that I bought a couple of a month or so ago, and a tomato, onion, and I think I said lettuce. Anyways, lettuce and a little smidge of mayo. Okay friends, here we go. Okay friends, so here is my pantry version of a chicken bacon club, well, not sandwich, but a wrap. Okay, shall we give it a try? Let's give it a cut first. Okay, so here it is. Like I said, it's a chicken bacon club wrap. And let me go ahead and try and take a bite of this. It's gonna be messy. That is tasty. When you have cheese and bacon, anything tastes tasty actually. But friends, if you have any of these ingredients in your home, whether you have tortillas or you have rye bread or you have biscuits or whatever, if you have any of these ingredients, just turn it into your own meal. Turn it into your own version. Okay friends, I hope you give it a try. And if you do give it a try, please let me know in the comments below how you liked it. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, friends. Green beans.